Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel App Guide. Today we are here to guide you on how you can join Amazon Prime Videos. If you already have Amazon Shopping, let's just open it. You can see in the very top shelf there is an option of Alexa List, Prime and Video. If you go to Prime, we can see that there is Amazon Prime Videos where we get various entertainments. It can be fiction, movies, biography, etc. There are various movies and series that we can watch in here. So how can we join Amazon Prime? We can just go back, and it is the same for both Android and Apple. All you need to do is go visit your Play Store or Apple Store and type in Amazon Prime Video or simply Prime Video. I already have Amazon Prime Video on my mobile phone, but it seems like that needs to be updated, so let me just go ahead and update it right here. So that is how you get Amazon Prime Video on your mobile phone once you tap in here to open it. So once we open Prime, we can see there are various Amazon original top movies, series, dramas, action, thriller, comedy, etc. All movies and series that you can enjoy. And since I just opened it, with it being linked with my Amazon shop, this has already registered my name in here, my Yasmin Shrestha. This has already registered my name in here, but as you can see, I have not done any payment yet. So how are these available? Actually, it's not. Let me just tap in here, and here you can see watch with Prime, start with 7-day free trial. I can just start with free trial or just do the payment already, and then I will easily be able to access to all these amazing movies and series. And that is how you join Amazon Prime Videos. So if this video was helpful in any ways, please leave a like, subscribe if you want more of these content, and comment down below if you have any queries regarding it. Thank you so much for watching.